This is the training video for the state requirements on three-stepping and sanitation. In every classroom, you're going to find 3 clearly labeled bottles. Number 1 is soapy water, number 2 is rinse water, and number 3 is bleach water. When washing tables, you're going to use these 3 bottles. You need to wash a table before and after every meal and after any time a table is used. Art projects, math centers, anytime a table is used, it needs to be washed, and then before and after a child eats at it. So to wash a table, you're first going to spray it with the soapy water. Make sure the entire table is sprayed with soapy water. Then you're going to wipe it with a clean, dry, disposable towel, not a reusable one. Then you're going to spray the table with the rinse water and wipe it with a clean, dry, disposable towel, not a reusable one. Then you're going to spray the entire table with bleach water. This needs to air dry for at least 2 minutes. If after the 2 minutes is over, you need to use the table and it's still wet, then you can wipe it with a clean, dry, disposable towel, not a reusable one. To wash toys, we're also going to 3-step, except we're going to use buckets instead of bottles. You need to have 3 buckets: soapy water, rinse water, bleach water. For plastic toys, like these, you're going to put them in the soapy water and you're going to wash them vigorously. After they've been washed, you move them to the bucket of rinse water. When they have been rinsed thoroughly, then you can move them to the bucket of bleach water where they must be submerged in the bleach water. If they're too big to be submerged, you'll need to wash them a different way, which we'll get to in a minute. After they've been submerged in the bleach water, they need to be placed on a clean, dry towel to air dry. For toys like wooden blocks or Lincoln logs that are too porous to be submerged, you can spray them with the bleach water and let them air dry. For toys that are too big to submerge, like dollhouses, climbing structures, or chairs, you can 3-step them just like you would 3-step a table. Just remember they need to air dry. For cots, they need to be sanitized daily with the bleach water and then 3-stepped on a weekly basis. You can use things like Clorox wipes, sponges, or magic erasers, but these are not a substitute for 3-stepping. So if you use these on a mess that's particularly stubborn, that's okay, but it needs to be 3-stepped after you've used the wipes or the magic eraser or a sponge.